people! We're starting the vlog really late. It's now 5:58 ng hapon. Nag-film ako ng dalawang videos kanina kasi. So, nag-film ako ng dalawang sit-down videos. Not really sit-down, I was standing. But, oh, car, come on. Quick. Oh, he's so slow. Bloody hell. Punta kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Danny Boy. Pababantayan niya sa amin yung dalawa niyang baby. Is Theo sleeping?
I think Theo might be sleeping.
Okay, so it's just Eli.
Just
really?
Eli.
Okay, so isang oras lang naman guys. Pupunta lang siya ng gym daw. So yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be interesting. What if Theo wakes up? That's alright. Kaya natin yan. Kaya lang wala tayong tutoy. Wala tayong tutoy, malab. Okay lang, isang oras lang naman. Plano namin, we will be there at 6. Kaya lang tinulungan pa ako ni Dan mag-film guys nung ano. I'm not sure kung anong mauuna ko itong vlog na to or yung video na yun. I tried wedding dresses. Wow!
You look good.
Thank you, my love.
For your next wedding, your next marriage,
Next.
it's sorted.
A new man.
Your new man.
The younger one.
Maybe younger.
Just kidding. So yun, nag-try ako. Tinulungan ako ni Dan kasi ang hirap suot ng mga wedding dresses na yun. Tia? Oh, who is that? Is it you? Is that baby Theo? That is you! That is you! Uh-oh. Natrap na sila, Theo. Patay na. Kakaalis lang ng mama niya, guys. Lalaro kami ng Thomas. Is it Thomas? Is it him? Yes! First time namin mag-babysit, guys. Oh, so cute, mama! Yeah. This? Okay. You put it there? Okay. Ang bagal kasi niyan. What's up? Ay! What? Alright, let's put it back. Ano na nangyari dito, mama? Uh-oh. What's up? Yung isa na, wala na sa ano track. There you go. Can you put this one back on? Put that one back on? You want me to help? Right here? See that? Kumakain na naman, guys. Uh-oh! Put it back like that. Yay! Thomas, put it back. Put Thomas back. Yep. Put Thomas back. He's slow, Bob. He's so slow. Naabutan siya ng iba. Shoot! He said bye-bye, Thomas. Bye. Naabutan na siya. Naabutan na naman siya. There you go. There. Where's Eli? Si Eli nandun sa ano lounge. What? Oh, that's... Do you want to get it? Who's that? Okay, tara. Off na dito, baba. Ang cute ng room ni Eli, oh. Room to ng kuya ni Theo, guys. Asa na siya? Where's Theo, babe? How's your food there, my love? Kumakain na siya, guys. Who's that? Is it you? That's you! Oh. Is that you? Oh.
What, wave to the camera, Eli. Wave to the people.
Say hi, people!
Say hello.
Hi, people! Aww. Can you say my name? Is Eli Otis. Oops, careful. Oh. Baba, I almost hit you, Baba. Hindi kapatid mo. Are you okay?
Eli, what's my name?
Careful, ha?
What's my name?
What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Oops. Ayun, dagma na bata. Are you okay? Yes? What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you play box? Yes? You wanna play box with me? Like this? Oink.
It's my I'm hungry song. I'm still by the way. Are you your own Joe?
Yes.
Yep, I'm pretty much full.
Good boy.
I
Good
guess
boy,
I
Theo.
don't understand my thing.
He's good.
Joe is far from the summer feeding.
What happened?
Just my tummy rumbling. I don't suppose you have any more of those.
Look at it, Uncle Daddy.
What happened?
Need a break.
Okay, nice thing.
Joe needs food.
How about you? Are you building a castle here,
Join
Bob?
a group of
Where are you going?
whales who show him to the summer feeding grounds.
Saan ka punta, uy?
On its way to the feeding ground.
Saan ka punta? Saan ka punta?
Look into the camera, Eli. Can you see your face?
Yeah, you can see his face.
Joe here is hungry and all alone. But way to help him, we need to find a way to make the other whales understand Joe.
Gotcha.
Elmo! Oh! Oh no, does it work? Maybe no battery? No battery, Eli?
Hello. 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 Hello.
What's that on your tummy, Eli? What is it?
Awesome!
Is it a marker?
Humpback. Now I
No, on your belly. What is it? Who did it? You? Did you show them? Did you show the camera?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow! What is that? What is that? Did it, someone drew on your belly? Careful, ha? Dami nating baby dito, Eli, ha? Yan tayong baby, oh, na ano?
found Joe before.
Baby na may tinting!
And look where
Eli, is this your baby? Whose baby is this? Theo's? Is this your baby? No? Theo's baby?
You're gonna be on TV. You're gonna be famous.
You're so cute, Eli. And Theo playing with the balls.
Who wants to put the balls in here?
He likes doing that. Hey, Theo, put the balls back here. You're looking at Uncle Daddy's thongs. Dirty thongs.
If you like a water park,
Dirty! Sabi niya, kakadiri yung tongs ni Tita Dan. Hey!
punch my hand. Harder. La 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 la.
Oh, what happened? What did Tita Dan do? What did Uncle Danny do? Itong isa ay.
Eli. Ooh.
Oh, good? He's fine. He's fine. Para walang umiyak. Ayokong may umiyak. Lulululu. Ang saya, oh. Okay, sana ganyan lang kayo. Huwag kayong magbago kasi maya-maya pa yung darating. Careful. Oh, lululu. Lulu, si Tio, babe. He wants to join. Careful, ha? Ah! Ang cute.
Watch out.
What? Hey, Eli. You want to say hi again? Here, here. They can see you. Can you see you? Hello.
This.
Good. Come here. Come. Auntie Rhaze? Yeah? Oh, you're up. What are you playing with? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button, Theo? Show me. Show me your belly button, Mama. Where's your belly button? Where is it? Where is it? Where's your belly button? Where? Where is it? Ah, good boy. belly button, Theo? That's the one. It's there. Right there. Thank you. Is that your belly button? How about you, Eli? Where's your belly button? Hmm? Right there. Whoa. Are you whole? You're so cute. How cute.
Oh, is that your dinner? That looks delicious.
What's your dinner, Eli?
Yeah.
What is it? Wow. How about you? How about you?
No, I guess that comes really funny.
Okay.
It's just an easy strawberry.
What is your dinner? What is your dinner? Come on, show me. Show me your dinner. What is it?
Is it yummy?
Wow, that looks so yummy. Do you want me to mix it up? I don't have dinner. How about you? Do you want dinner? Where's my bag? Do you want my bag? Sorry? Churros? We don't have churros. You have some? Uh-oh, where is it? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Eli said, meron tayong churros, Bob. Saan yung churros? Where's the churros? Where is it? Where? I don't see any.
Well, we can get it.
Where? Which, that? Ah, do you want cereal? Ah, Cheerios! This one?
See? Look on the picture.
Yes!
It is.
Do you want this? Can you have this?
Let's get a little bowl.
Okay. Come on! You want that as well?
Are you gonna eat it all, Eli?
No, just a little bit.
You gotta eat it all.
Good job, Eli. Alright, let's do it.
Give Auntie Rhaz a bowl.
No, that's alright. You can stay there. How about you? Do you want some as well? Can you have
Oh,
these?
here's some.
What's that, buddy? Yummy. Can I have some?
No.
Why not?
Some milk?
You like milk?
I like milk.
Oh, which milk?
I like my milk being chocolate. Do you like chocolate milk?
Which milk, babe? This one? Farmhouse?
What's the other one?
The other one's the smarter white milk.
Oh, either one's fine.
Are you sure?
Juice Farmhouse, that's fine.
Hindi namin
Sitting a little bit.
alam kung anong milk ang gagamitin. Is it good, Eli? Better than your dinner? Baka pagalitan tayo nito, Eli, ha? Ito yung dinner nyo, guys. Ito ay. Hindi niya kinain. Akala ko hinihinga niya churros. Sabi ko lang naman ng churros. Cheerios pala. Yeah? Did you share with Uncle Danny?
Can I have a
No?
little bit?
No.
Can I have a lot?
No.
Can I have some?
No, it's Eli's
Can I have
food.
none? None for me?
None for
Oi.
none for Uncle Dan.
None for me. Eat
Oh,
it,
sorry.
Eat it or I eat it. You gotta eat it now or I eat it.
None for Uncle Dan. Just for Eli. Right here, serve it, Eli. Here, Eli.
Eli, wipe your chin. Here. Wipe your chin.
Good
Good,
boy.
good man.
I'm stuck. Come on, Benjamin. Oopsie.
Again? Again? Huh?
It's too heavy.
Finished? Show us. No more. Good job. All done? Do you want me to wear that? That's my thong. Yeah?
Yes, I did.
How about the other one? The other one's right there. Thank you, Baba. How about the other one? Right there. Do you want to grab the other one? Yes. Thank you. Yay. Thanks, Bob. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Who's that? Is that Leroy? Is that Leroy? Leroy. Yep. Thank you. Alright, sharing is loving. You know that, Eli? Sharing is loving? Is this for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, let's count. Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Are you clapping? No clap? No clap? Yay! Yes! Yes!
What is that?
Yes. We're home, guys. Luto lang tayo ng meatballs. Kasi ano, wala, hindi pa kami kumakain. Pagkadating ng kambal niya, umalis na agad kami kasi kakain pa kami. Ito yung nabili natin sa IKEA, guys. Lummers. Nakitikman siya ni Dan. So, i-air fry ko siya. Para madali lang ba. Si Dan na nagluluto ng rice. Gutom na ako. How many do you think you will eat? 4, 6. Frozen to, guys. Okay lang siya i-ano.
Oh, you probably all those.
So, 180 degrees lang yung gagawin ko. And then, I'll do it for 10 minutes for now. I-check natin siya pag 5 minutes na. Gagawa tayo ng gravy din. Now, we got from IKEA din. Kasi yung gravy nila parang Jollibee talaga. Promise. Yung gravy, ito guys. Dang, 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 dang. Check natin kung paano lutuin yung gravy. 300 ml of cold water into a saucepan and bring to the boil. Add the sauce mix and 50 ml of full fat cream. Wala tayong full fat cream. Sana okay ba ito? It says 50 ml of full fat cream, babe. We don't have that. We have milk. Is that okay? Ayan. Akala ko tubig lang eh. Hindi ko pa ito naluto gamit yung air fryer. So, i-check natin siya, guys. 3 minutes na lumipas. Ooh, looking good. Oh my gosh. The best talaga to sa air fryer, do. Nakakaloka. Okay. In 2 minutes, i-check na naman natin siya. Binasa ko yung instruction ng meatballs, guys. Sabi, kapag in-oven mo siya, 180 degrees, tapos 15 to 20 minutes. Kapag fan force, 14 to 18 minutes. Air fryer yung gamit natin. I think I'm gonna cook it for 15 minutes para safe. So, 5 minutes na tayo. Dadagdagan ko siya ng 5 minutes pa later. And, yeah. Pero i-check pa din natin siya from time to time. Maya, check natin. 10 minutes na nakalipas, guys. Dinagdagan ko lang siya ng 5-4 minutes. It looks like that right now. Actually, feeling ko ready na to, guys. So, siguro mga 1 minute na lang okay na to. Kasi, ready na eh. Ano ko, pinatay ko muna kasi si Dan umalis. Bumili ng full cream yung nasa ano ba? Recipe nito. Pero, malapit na yun. So, balik na una agad. Dinner looks good, guys. Yummers. Yung gravy nila, hindi same sa gravy na na-try namin dun sa ano, food court sa IKEA. Pero okay pa din. Masarap pa din. Is it good? Hot? Is it cooked? Yeah, it's cooked. It's already cooked. Sige na, let's use that one. Guys, gamitin namin yung binili ko sa IKEA. Yan,
How much was this?
$4?
Oh my god.
I don't remember. $4, $3.99. Oh my gosh! What a spender! I got 2 of those.
Oh my god. No wonder we're broke.
Should we wash it first?
Nah. Just throw it out of the packet.
Let me wash it. Guys, meron akong
I
gravy.
don't think it'll work.
Yung natirang gravy.
I don't think it'll work.
Yung natirang gravy ba, lagay ko dito sa ano. Kasi they can't even see it. Yan na natin guys ha. Makikita niyo. Sige. Ready?
Go.
Ah!
It works.
It works!
Don't push your luck. It's on. Good job. I told
you like it?
I told you to get it. Look at that.
That's cool.
That's pretty
And
good.
it works for plastic din guys. So, hindi lang siya sa glass nag-work. Sa plastic nag-work din siya. You can try. Let me.
It won't work on that.
Yes, it will.
It won't.
Come on. Wait a second.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Wow.
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 This is crazy.
Oh, that's such a good $4 bargain. Oh, now it's stuck there.
I just washed
It's
it.
fine. It's stuck.
Okay.
Let's put it in the fridge.
That's really good, guys. IKEA. Kaya lang, wala pa tayong IKEA sa Pilipinas, diba? I'm pretty sure you can find this somewhere. Meron na! Philippines. Rockwell Building, Hidalgo Drive, Rockwell Center, Makati City. Meron na pala sa Philippines. Nag-open na pala. Kasi meron dito Indonesia, India, Philippines. Ay, oo nga pala. Speaking of like shipping, mga ganyan, merong ano guys, website na kung nasa ano kayo, outside of US, tapos meron kayong gustong orderin sa US, pero hindi sila nag-ship sa inyo, merong website called Viabox. They will help you ship your items from the US to wherever you are. So how it works is you will sign up sa website nila. Pag naka-sign up ka na, bibigyan ka nila ng address. Yung warehouse pala nila is sa Oregon. Yung sales tax daw sa Oregon is 0%. So that's good. Diba na nagpunta kami sa US, may mga tax, tapos iba-iba yung tax every state. So Oregon, 0% daw yung sales tax nila, guys. Yung iba, like Florida has 7% tax, California has 9% tax. So Oregon, 0 daw siya. Kinumpare ko kasi sila, guys, sa ibang shipping company na gumagawa ng the same stuff, and sila yung isa sa pinakamura talaga. I will leave the link in the description box if you guys are interested. So as soon as you sign up, bibigyan ka agad nila ng address where you can use to send your package from the US to that Oregon state address, and then from Oregon they will send it to your country. So yeah, details and links will be in the description box for you guys. My love, what do you want me to do?
Go to bed.
9 ng gabi, guys. Sabi niya, go to bed, watch YouTube daw. Sabi ko, sana ako mag-a-iron ng ano niya eh. Ayaw niya ipa-iron sa akin. Siya na lang daw. Hindi ikaw na. Okay na, malinis niya yung kitchen. Okay na.
Can you bring some water for me as well, please?
Of course, my love.
Just bring any bottle, like any bottle of water's fine.
Alright, yep.
Anyways, like a little free bottle.
I'll get my water as well. Ay, naayos na pala yung lights namin dito, guys. Di ba namatay yan? Merong isa namatay dyan. Parang, yun ata yung namatay yan. Tapos yung isa doon namatay. Ayos na siya. Inayos siya ni Dan. Siya na talaga. Kasi, last ano na sana namin yun eh. Kapag hindi yun naayos, mag-electrician na talaga sana kami. Inaayos niya. So, good, good, good. Tubig tayo. Dala tayo tubig. That's mine. And Danny boys. You said any bottle of water will do? I'll just fill this water with more water. Diffuser is on. Ready na tayo magpahinga. Naglagay ako ng sleeping mask from Cos RX. Yan. And I have my pajamas on. Yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Be good. Bye. Good night. Mwah.